Through my window, night breeze slips through, setting the wind chimes singing. Not cool, yet still welcome. Through my window, the moon hangs waxing, nearly full, pouring its quiet light. Through my window, sweet thoughts lift and fly to you. The author has placed this work in the public domain. It may be freely imported, exported, shared, distributed, edited, modified, or reformatted without explicit consent from the author. As a visually impaired person, the author asserts his rights under the Marrakesh Treaty to facilitate access to published works for persons who are blind, visually impaired, or otherwise print disabled. 2013, wipo.int.